What's good, y'all? It's your boy Beeman, aka Nate. I forgot to record my intro, so I'm filming it after. But I just recorded some POVs. But these POVs are gonna be for y'all, obviously. It's gonna be me like testing the car out, so y'all can hear the Alibaba exhaust, hear how good it sounds, hear my intake, basically, and see how the car handles and drives. I do speed up a little here and there. You gonna see, not crazy. But yeah, let me know if y'all want more POVs. It's cool. Let me know y'all thoughts and opinions. I greatly appreciate it. And yeah, what is up, y'all? We are now in the metas. I really wonder how this looks, y'all, but let's see. Right now I'm just driving. I'm low-key hungry. I'm trying to decide what I want to eat because it's the weekend, so a little cheap, but none too crazy. But point is, we need to make it there, but we don't know yet what we want. So we're just gonna cruise till I make up my mind. So we're gonna get some cool clips while we're at it, okay? So enjoy some of these clips. And you see, I can't even get Chick-fil-A. Fuck. Why I need better tires, y'all. I just be spinning, and that's me not even staying in my lane. Some little baby pops. I think once I go catless, I'll be popping crazy. That was a good little pull. Alright, y'all. I think I figured out what I want. I'm gonna get Taco Belly. This part is just gonna be on some calm driving, just enjoying it, enjoying the ambient lighting inside, giving y'all how it looks at night from my POV. Yeah. I don't know if y'all want me to be talking more during these POVs or if y'all just want me to shut the fuck up. Feedback, y'all. Feedback. That's all I need. I appreciate it. But for right now, yeah, I'm gonna shut the fuck up. Yeah, let me know what y'all thought. The POV. I don't know how it looks to y'all. I hope this looks pretty cool to y'all with the lights and shit. And I hope y'all like some of the clips. Yeah, just let me know what y'all feedback is. Yeah, cool. Appreciate y'all.